In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screenshot on Windows 10 using a keyboard shortcut. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're looking to capture something you've accomplished or just want to save a conversation for later reference. Screenshots are a simple way to grab and share information. Let's dive into the various ways you can take a screenshot on Windows 10. To start, the most straightforward method is by using the print screen button on your keyboard. This button, often abbreviated as PARTY-SCN, is typically located at the top of your keyboard next to the function keys. When you press it, Windows captures the entire screen and copies it to your clipboard. From there, you can open an application like Paint, Word, or any other program that supports image pasting and simply paste your screenshot with the Ctrl+V command. Now, if you want more flexibility, like capturing just a specific portion of the screen, you can use the snipping tool. To access this tool, head over to your Start menu. This is located at the bottom left of your screen. Click on it to open the menu, then start typing snip into the search bar. Windows will suggest the snipping tool as one of the options. When you see it, click on it to open the application. Once the snipping tool is open, you'll notice a button labeled New. By clicking on New, you can start a new snip. This stops time briefly, allowing you to drag your cursor across the area you wish to capture, similar to using a virtual scissors. When you release the mouse button, the selected portion appears in the snipping tools window where you can save or annotate it. Screenshots are an essential part of communicating digital information efficiently. Whether you're trying to troubleshoot a problem, save important information, or just share something interesting with friends or colleagues, capturing and saving your screen has never been easier, especially with these built-in tools in Windows 10. Remember, while the print screen button is quick and easy, the snipping tool provides more control over what you want to capture. By using these methods, you'll find that you can quickly and effectively create screenshots on Windows 10, whether it's for personal use or sharing with others. Feel free to try out both techniques to see which one works best for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Have a great day and happy screenshotting.